It's huge. It's a big old number.
Stresses me out. I mean, I'd rather take the money and put it in something like this, keep doing our stock thing, and then, 4 or 5 years down the road, if we want to build the house over there then maybe we'll do it then. But right now, I'm not interested in building $1 million house over there so my kids can go beat the shit out of it. I mean, my house right now looks like Beirut. I mean, all of my walls got dents in it, stuff like that from my kids throwing stuff all over the place.
Golly.
Welcome to parenthood if y'all ever do that.
Hey, man.
Old man cruising around?
Yeah, man.
What you doing?
Just trying to make it happen. I mean, I don't turn anything down, man. I'm fixing to list 5 acres and a mobile home up in North Baldwin County for like $80,000 or something, and I had to drive up there and price it and spend just as much or more time on that as I do a $1 million property. So I don't turn anything. I don't tell myself, hey, I'm only going to do this or I'm only going to do that. I don't turn anything down. This shit is fire.
Wait.
This is my little setup right here. It's a Canon SD. I got the Gorilla tripod. I got the Rode mic. I got the 24-70mm lens. And I got it because I want to start documenting more of what's going on while Blake's not around, and doing just more stuff and doing stuff like from my point of view, as opposed to just from a second angle. So stepping our blog game up. Hey, what's up?
Just looking for properties.
Hey, did you got a listing?
Oh, it's a pretty dang good possibility.
Was it off the Circle Prospecting or something else?
I texted you last night. I mean, I hit the ground super hard.
Yeah.
When I first started. And
yeah.
The fruits of those labors is coming to fruition right now.
Than anybody you know.
Yeah, right. Yeah, like I don't know nobody.
So what? How much? What's the payment on $1 million loan? You just need to stay busy. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I mean, just stay busy doing deals, talking to people, trying to put stuff together. Just stay busy, every day. Don't worry about the results. Don't worry about that listing that you missed on that road because you wasn't sending mail outs to it. Don't worry about all that. There's more than you can handle available there for you. I mean, there's more than, you can't handle it all. So just stay busy. Just stay busy doing deals, don't get discouraged. Don't lose the faith. I mean, closings are happening every day. So you know, just keep moving forward and pressing forward, and, you know, try to work harder every day than you've ever worked before. You know, try to push as hard as you can, and, you know, just learn and get better. Well, bro, you got any further questions or anything I can help you with?
No, man, just pressing forward, man. You know, once I get my feet back on, you know, I'll add to what I'm doing, and add to my coaching, and add to everything, and just keep climbing that mountain.
No, for sure, man. Just continue learning, continue growing, continue pushing. I think you got it, man. The only difference in you and being where you want to be is just time. You know, you just got to just keep doing it for, you know, keep doing it, you know, and in the next 3 to 5 years, you'll be kind of where you want to be. And then from there, you can then decide, how far do I really want to take this, you know?
Right.
Yeah.
Because I want to, you know, I'll be 47 this year. Is that right? Yeah. So I want to start kind of diversifying, you know, investments and things of that nature. Kind of like, you know, some of the, I don't know if you just flip properties or if you rent them out as well, or both. But I want to kind of get into that stuff as well. Get that passive income coming in. And,
It's not passive, man. It's a lot of work. You got to fix the properties up. You got to fix toilets. You got to evict people. You got to find renters. You know, you got to fix them up and flip them. It's a lot of work. There's nothing passive about it.